So I was sent over this outdoor projection light, and it's going to put colors of red, blue, and green all over the house. Going to be great for the holidays. With it, you get the projection light itself. It comes with a remote that has multiple functions on it. So here's the remote, as well as the instruction booklet with all the information on it on how to use the remote. You have your power button, you have how it cycles through, you have your red, blue, and green lights, so you can change those. You can increase and decrease the motor speed, as well as the flashing strobe effect. You can even set the timer for 1 to 6 hours to have it run through the cycle that you set for it. You can mount this a couple different ways, either with the mounting plate, which they have provided the hardware for that, or you can use the stake and stake it into the ground. Let's do a quick install and see what we think of all the light options. I'm putting this into the ground, so I'm going to get the stake ready so it's ready to go for me outside. You want to take the part with the nut on it, and it just goes in here, and then you just twist it to lock it in place. That is going to allow for movement so you can adjust to where you need to be outside. Next, we're going to take these other two pieces. They just simply slide onto each other. Let's go place this outside and see how it does. Once you place the projector into the ground, you want to position it so it is about 16.4 to 32.8 feet from the actual surface of the house or wall or whatever you're placing it in front of. Then you can adjust it from there if needed. Now you can turn it on and use the remote to go through all the different functions of lighting. It has multiple lighting options, speeds, times that you can leave the light on. It also has a built-in cooling fan for when it is running long hours to help prevent overheating. There's so many variations to this, it's going to seem like they never end. I really like how easy this is to install and use, and I hope it helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.